Ladies and gentlemen, please rise. His Excellency the President of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony for the following judicial officers shall now begin. The Honorable Mr. Justice Damika Priyantha Samarakun Jayawardena as Judge of the Supreme Court. The Honorable Mr. Justice Fredrick Indran Xavier Anthony Nicholas as Puisne Judge of the High Court. And the Honorable Mr. Justice Mohamed Azhar Umaru Lebe as Acting Master of the High Court. Your Excellency, I now have the honor to invite the Honorable Mr. Justice Jayawardena to take the affirmation of allegiance and the affirmation for the execution of office.
I, Damika Priyantha Samarakun Jayawardena, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. I, Damika Priyantha Samarakun Jayawardena, do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare and affirm that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. And I will solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all persons without fear, favor, or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law.
Thank you, sir. Please follow me.
Congratulations and welcome.
Thank you very much. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to serve Fiji and your people.
Our pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well done. Congratulations.
Your Excellency. I, Fredrick Indran Xavier Anthony Nicholas, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. I, Fredrick Indran Xavier Anthony Nicholas, do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare and affirm that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people and will do justice to all persons without fear, favour or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law.
Congratulations and welcome to the Judicial.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
I, Mohamed Azhar Umar Lebbe, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to the law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. I, Mohamed Azhar Umar Lebbe, do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare and affirm that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all the laws of Fiji. And I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people and will do justice to all persons without fear, favour and prejudice in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Madam, we can have you on the seat. Sir. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
All right. Team, sir. Oh man, I saw you sitting in the back. They say, no, not behind the great man, beside the legal lead. Great woman. Welcome to Fiji.
Thank you very much.
Good to see you. Sir?